Oh, what's up everybody? So today I'm gonna go on a quick ride with my brother. He's over there getting his bike ready, but we're gonna take a trip to Walmart, and I decided, you know, why not film it and make a video out of it. So he's gonna ride over here. We're gonna head to Walmart and film a little bit. Yeah, he just got the brakes redone on this John. They were pretty bad. They were pretty bad, eh? You could hear him scrape kind of bad. Is that phone mount working out for you? Ooh, Corvette. Hop in the motherfucking jet like J. I don't even think he knows what the fuck he's saying. I don't think he does, no. I'm telling the vlog, I got like a bee in my helmet today. A bee, dude. Yeah, there was a bee in my helmet. It sucked bad, dude. I was literally on the phone with you. It was scary. Big hole. This BMW's gonna have to speed up because this 4Runner won't let me go any faster. Is he gonna let me over? Oh my god, big fucking hole. Did you see that? Oh my god, I almost pissed. Oh, look at that Camaro. He just took off. He went. Me and that truck got over at the same fucking time. He almost hit me. It's okay. I'm coming up on your left. Oh yeah, you're right. My left, you're right. No, it's my left. There you go. That was super sick. Get in front of me, kinda. Oh, careful. Get in front of me, kinda, and see if my headlight's still out. Just look in your rear view. It's on, or it should be. Okay, great. Yeah, the reason we're going to Walmart is, well, I don't know what he needs at Walmart, or if he was just coming for the ride, but I need to price fucking headlights, because last night on my ride home, my headlight went out. My low beams. That's up my throat. My low beams went out, so now I only have high beams, and my high beams are super fucking bright. And I feel bad for the drivers in front of me because it blinds the shit out of them. Where the hell did you go? Well, now there's two cars in front of you. There's a white Nissan and a black Honda. I swear to God, every time I clean my visor, I kill just an immense amount of bugs. If I did that, I would get speed wobbles. Yes, you are. That looked like a Ducati. I actually don't hate the way that truck looks. It says Geneva. What the hell's Geneva? I know. Well, we've arrived at the Wally World. Don't know how packed it's gonna be. I'm actually gonna leave my helmet on and film a little bit inside, so non-moto vlog footage. Oh, it looks kind of packed. That's Walmart. Walmart is always packed. Yeah, this is like one of our only Walmarts, dude. Where? Oh my god. That bitch is bright blue. You figured with such a nice car, he'd want to park kind of far away because of door dings, you know? Alright, we're in Walmart. We're headed to automotive. Oh, are these the new ones? Oh no. Oh, Mom loves these things, dude. They have new ones that are miniature toys. What are you doing?
Getting my socks up from my leg.
Oh, Okay. Well, because I don't know what you were doing. No, well, is it a big boy yak?
400. That's
41. 400. That paddleboard looks pretty rad. But I liked, honestly, I've used one of the blow up ones. It's only $279. I've used one of the blow up ones, and I really like the blow up ones.
The paddles?
Yeah, it was super convenient and shit. I liked the blow up paddleboards, even though I think paddleboards are kind of for girls. I'm more of a kayak person, but it was still fun. We need to try and take the yaks out this season.
Yeah, right.
Well, not you, but you know, well, if you buy a new yak. Oh, look, a mini Coke fridge. That's sick.
I bet you it doesn't work much. Yeah.
Oh, it's got a cigarette lighter for the car. It's only $30.
I'd get this one.
The Pepsi. Oh, Mom would love that, dude. Damn it, dude. You should buy it for her.
Why? She's got a normal sized fridge.
I know, but it was her birthday. If I had $30, I would buy that for Mom. That is so cool. The Budweiser one, that's sick, dude.
Yeah, the Budweiser one's probably my favorite.
I don't even like Mountain Dew, but I think the Mountain Dew one's kind of fucking rad. Right here.
What do you need? What is the part number?
It's like, I don't know the part number, but see, you see how that says like H7? I need H4.
No.
Damn, that one's only $9 too. Yeah, I'm not seeing H. There's H7, H1, H13, H4. H4. They have any LED ones? No. Ew. Pepperoni pizza with cheese and sauce. Ew, it feels squishy, dude. Blech. It feels gooey. Why couldn't we have this as a kid? Dude, look at that. It's a fucking tank, dude.
Yeah, that bitch is gangster.
It's even got a little gun on it, man. That Gravedigger's pretty sweet.
It's got a cannon. I've always wanted a Gravedigger like that.
Really? Funny story. When I was a kid, they bought me one of these Power Wheels, and it was a tractor. It's like a Caterpillar tractor, and it fell out of the bed of the truck, and somebody literally, before we had time, swooped up and stole it. Look, that Gravedigger has shocks, dude.
I think the frame on it is actually metal.
It has shocks.
That's probably why it's $400. So is the Chevy, or so is this Ford, though.
Active suspension.
This Ford is the same price. It doesn't have suspension.
I would get the one with suspension.
Yeah, so would I.
It can hold up to 130 pounds and last 70 minutes. Wait. Have they always been 24 volt? I thought they were 12. Yeah, look. 12 volt. That thing's 24 volt. That thing will fly. That thing would fly, dude. Well, damn. What's the tank? The tank's 24 too.
Yeah, that thing's fast too, I bet.
I bet that thing mobs. Stone's probably going to watch this video, but since he's always wanted a side-by-side, let's get him this. He can fit that in his Camaro. Oh, look. This tractor even has a weight on the front. Like a counterbalancing weight. Yeah, no, it's the screw popped off. I just got done playing basketball. Let's see the shot. It's a good shot. Yeah, they've got some cool bikes. They've got, like, look at this BMW.
It makes noise.
It does. But it doesn't make the brap, brap, dun dun dun, brap, brap, you know? What is this? Look, it's a race car to be designed as a firework. You see that? Pop, you know? You know Golden, Colorado was the home of Jolly Rancher?
Yeah.
Yep.
I did.
Yep.
God bless the broken road that led me straight to you.
Oh, you just hit me in the face with that. Look, we found Flex Mini. Now that's a lot of damage.
Look at the little silly string cam.
Wow. I sawed this boat in half.
I sawed this boat in half!
He sawed a lot of boats in half in his day. Well, we just left Walmart, and as you've seen, there was no there was no headlights. So we're gonna head back to the house now. I don't think we have any other plans but going back to the house, but we'll see. I did. Behind you. What the fuck?
You alright? Yeah, I'm alright. It just nicked my foot. I think we're good. We're good. Let's go.
Are you sure?
Nope, it totally bent my brake. Or my shift.
Yeah, he destroyed your saddlebag. Yeah, it's completely off. Oh my god. Well, you might be able to. Well, no, that metal's gone. It's toast. We just left the gas station to look at the damages. I'll do a little walk around when we get back to the house. His saddlebag is completely tore up, and his brake lever is bent as fuck. It's pretty bent, and his leg hurts kind of bad. I might even be able to slow the clip down a little bit. We'll see. I'm curious to see. We both want to look at the clip, but we're just gonna have to see. But yeah, I mean, I don't know if you've seen in the video, they got out and made sure they were both okay, and they just went on their way, shook hands, and then left. Didn't even get each other's names and just left. All right, guys, I just realized we got home, you know, let everybody know, and looked at the bike. I just took a clip on my phone, so the best case scenario that could have happened happened. He didn't dump the bike. He didn't die. His leg's a little sore and his knee's a little sore because on that cruiser his knees sit real far out. So we're thinking that it hit knee and then saddlebag. So we're just all thankful that he didn't dump the bike, because if he dumped the bike, it would have been a way bigger, you know, ordeal, and that bike could have been totaled. But a brake lever and a saddlebag is nothing to replace compared to, you know, a life and shit like that. But if anybody else rides, just always remember to, you know, be thinking 5-10 steps ahead of everybody else. Be looking for the side of cars, because you just never know. Like that dude right there could have just pulled out in front of me and just ended my life. So I just came out here to do a little outro and, you know, let everybody know, just ride safe. You never know what's gonna happen. Cars aren't really looking for you, and nowadays people in their cell phones, you know, getting rear-ended happens all the time, and it happens way more than it should have. And it sucks just that all these people in cars just don't, you know, give the room that the bikers need, and don't really pay attention, because, you know, sometimes cars actually can't see us, but sometimes, you know, cars can see you. So I just wanted to make this little clip, and in the video, this video was a good video of us going to Walmart and looking for headlights until, you know, he got hit. But if you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, share it with a friend. I'm getting as many riding videos as I possibly can out. So yeah, if you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.